CBN withdraws licenses of 46 microfinance banks in major regulatory crackdown. The Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, has revoked the operating licenses of 46 microfinance banks in a sweeping move aimed at strengthening oversight within the country's financial sector. The decision, which took effect on July 1, 2026, reflects the apex bank's commitment to enforcing compliance and protecting the integrity of Nigeria's banking system. According to the regulator, the affected institutions failed to meet the minimum standards required to continue operating as licensed financial institutions. The action was taken under the provisions of the Banks and Other Financial Institutions Act, BOFIA, 2020, following approval by the CBN governor. The central bank explained that the revocation resulted from a range of regulatory breaches. These included inadequate assets to cover liabilities, prolonged inactivity, the closure of operations without regulatory approval, failure to begin business within the required timeframe after obtaining licenses, and the inability to maintain the minimum capital required for continued operation. The move affects microfinance banks operating across several states, including both state-level and tiered institutions. A significant number of the affected banks were located in Kano and Lagos, with others spread across different parts of the country. Industry observers believe the decision is part of a broader effort by the CBN to improve the stability of Nigeria's financial system by removing institutions that no longer meet prudential standards. The regulator has consistently emphasized that maintaining a healthy banking sector requires strict supervision and prompt action against non-compliant operators. For customers of the affected microfinance banks, the development is expected to trigger the regulatory processes designed to safeguard depositors' interests while ensuring an orderly resolution of the impacted institutions. Financial experts have advised customers to remain calm and follow official guidance regarding any subsequent recovery or claims process. The latest action underscores the CBN's determination to promote transparency, strengthen public confidence in the financial system, and ensure that licensed financial institutions operate within established regulatory frameworks. Summary. The Central Bank of Nigeria has revoked the licenses of 46 microfinance banks after they failed to comply with critical regulatory and operational requirements. The decision forms part of ongoing efforts to reinforce financial stability, protect depositors, and ensure that only financially sound and well-managed institutions remain in operation across the country's banking sector. If you enjoy staying updated with the latest stories and trending news, please consider subscribing to TrendScope. Your support helps us bring you more content every day.